She waited at the airport. She waited all day, but he never came. This is the story of Mia, a girl with big dreams and a bigger heart. A story of waiting, of hope, and of learning to let go. Mia lived in a small town. She was 19. She had never been to a big city before. She had never been to an airport. But she was in love. 2 months ago, she met Ryan online. He was from another city. They talked every night. They shared their dreams. He promised her something. I will come. I will meet you. Just wait. At the airport, he said. Mia believed him. Her heart believed him. It was a Sunday morning. Mia wore her favorite yellow dress. She packed her small bag. She left home with a smile. She took a bus to the city. She had never traveled alone before. She looked outside the window. She saw tall buildings, shops, and fast cars. But in her heart, she was thinking of one thing. I will see him today. She reached the airport at 9 a.m. She stood near the gate, waiting. She looked at every face. Is it him? No, maybe the next one. Hours passed. She sat down. She stood up again. Her eyes kept searching. It was now 1 p.m. Still, no sign of Ryan. She checked her phone. No message, no call. She told herself, maybe his flight is late. Maybe he lost network. 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Her eyes started to feel heavy. She hadn't eaten anything, but her hope was alive. She looked at other people. Families were hugging, friends were laughing, couples were smiling. But Mia, she just waited. By 5 p.m., her legs were tired. She sat down again. A tear rolled down her cheek. Still, she smiled and said, he promised me he will come. But deep in her heart, she started to feel afraid. It was 7 p.m. The sun had set. The lights in the airport turned on. She checked her phone again. Still no call. Still no message. She opened his chat, typed, "Are you coming?" No reply. She waited. At 8 p.m., a flight from his city arrived. Her heart started beating fast. People came out, old men, young girls, families, but not Ryan. She waited 10 more minutes, then 20, then 1 hour. She knew it now. He was not coming. He had lied. He had left her alone. Mia stood up slowly. She picked up her bag. Her feet, they were heavy. She walked out of the airport. Her heart was broken, but her eyes were dry. The road was silent, only streetlights and her shadow. She waited for a bus. It was late. She sat alone at the bus stop. Suddenly, an old woman came and sat beside her. The woman smiled and said, waiting for someone? Mia looked at her, and after a long pause, she said, "No, I was, but not anymore." The woman said nothing but held Mia's hand, and in that moment, Mia felt strong again. Mia came home that her mom opened the door. She looked at Mia's face. Mia didn't cry. She just said, "I'm okay." Her mom hugged her tightly. That night, Mia learned something important. Sometimes the people we trust don't show up. But that doesn't mean we are weak. It means we are strong because we still hoped, we still waited, and we still moved on. Mia never talked to Ryan again, but she never stopped believing in good people. Because not all stories end in pain. Some begin with it and lead to strength. This was Mia's story. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to VoiceNest English for more emotional English stories. And keep learning English with your heart.